This is my Quaker baby. Her name is Sweetie.
She's visiting us.
She's very...
She's visiting
Yeah,
us.
she's visiting us. She wasn't feeling too well. So my mom's taking care of her. And she's very curious what this camera is. Hey, Sweetie. She's hungry. Yes, where are you going? She's trying to get my camera.
She said, I just fed her.
She's always hungry. Yes, yes, where are you going? Come. Come, step up. Come, 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 come. No? Okay, step up. I'm just trying to eat my finger. Good girl. Okay, okay. Come. Come, girl, come. Does she know how to step up yet, Mom?
She did, but she's new.
She's small. And then my other bird had some babies. Let's go check them out. Over here. Look. Those one's looking at us. These are little Quaker babies. Aren't they cute? There's more here. Oh, this one's hungry. When they shake their head like that, it means they're kind of hungry. Oh, Quakers and lovebirds here.
Look at this guy.
This is the smallest from the bunch. She's 3 days old now? That's my mom's hand. They're 3 days old. Look how tiny he is. Oh, so tiny.
Here underneath the big batch.
My mom was saying how these ones are really small, and my mom took them from the parents earlier because the parents didn't see them and weren't being fed. So that's why they're so small. Those small ones were like underneath these guys. So mom had to get them out. Let's go get a closer look. Yeah, he's hungry. We just fed you. They're still hungry. Such a cutie. Okay, go to sleep now. Oh, mommy. This one's still hungry. They probably think I'm trying to feed them. Okay, okay, okay. Go to sleep. I'll leave you alone. Hello, you. Hello, sweetie. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. No, I have no food. She thinks I'm trying to feed her. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Say bye, sweetie. Bye-bye. Mom is feeding the babies. See if I can get in there. Hey, look at this one. He's so hungry. In the little corner. Can you hear them chirping? Oh, look at this one. He's like knocking. Hello, baby.
1 minute, right? I have to come there. 1 minute.
Okay, little guy.
Does he look like Kabir? It's Kabir's baby, that's why.
And then where's Tom and Susie?
All mixed up. That's an uncle.
So some of these babies are actually aunt and nephew and niece and uncle.
Yeah.
I'll show you the parents after, guys. And look at Sweetie. He's so curious standing behind me. And he's hungry too. Are you hungry, Sweetie?
Every time I feed this baby, she's hungry. She is just...
You see how she's flapping her wings? That means she's hungry. Okay, I'm gonna feed her.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum. That's formula, baby formula. It's like, what, crushed bird seeds or something?
The pellets.
Crushed pellets. Okay, so my mom sells these birds. This is my mommy. Birdies.
She's hungry?
Yeah, it's just so cute. Sweetie behind me, every time I turn around, she starts slapping her wing. This one's sleeping.
Let me
Corner.
feed
Hello. Oh, this one's like under his wing.
They're tired now. They're full.
Are these ones are lovebirds, right?
Yeah.
These ones here
One,
are
two,
lovebirds.
and this one.
And this one?
No, this
Oh, this one.
one. These all the sounding like a sheep. They're all Quakers.
Okay, so this one,
That
this
one,
one,
that
and
one, that one are
this
Quakers.
one, and that one are Quakers, which is this.
Yes.
So this is how they'll look like when they get older. Well, actually, this one here, Sweetie, is still a baby. How old is she?
She's delayed, so she's 11 weeks old now.
She's 11 weeks old, and I'll show you what an adult looks like in a minute. These are the parents. Okay. If you guys can see, they're probably scared of the camera. They don't really know me much. Their nest that they made by themselves. They take the paper from the bottom of the cage and then put it on. Alright, they're kind of scared of me. They never see me. This is the other couple and their cage that they made. All the ones here are lovebirds. You can see them. And that's it.